How to fix Facebook Messenger can't open messages. Hi guys, first thing you want to do, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now right here, or what you want to do is scroll until you find the messenger, click on it, click on force stop and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable everything. Go back to the settings and open the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi and enable it back, because sometimes the problem is just from the Wi-Fi. And last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.